I have a question.
Yes.
Hello, everyone. I'm sorry I came in late, but I'm from Houston and I have a question. The question is, in Houston, the group homes are or have brought the day have into their home. How do I market or how can I market those that want to come out, which are only sitting at home doing nothing? How do I market to those that want to come out and back into the community? Hope
Okay,
I'm saying that right.
so you're saying you're talking about marketing to a group home?
I'm sorry.
So are you talking about marketing to a group home? And
Yes.
then,
Well, not marketing to a group home, but those that are in the group home because they're contacting me, but they are inside of a home. And I want to bring them out. And there's so many now that I found out, but I don't know how to gain more because there's so many of them are in a home because the owner has, due to COVID, the owner has brought adult daycare into the home.
gotcha. So
You
so
do?
it's like so I'm saying I'm trying to just understand. So you're saying we got the group home that are you talking about having them from the group home come to your adult daycare?
Yes. Like I have those that are calling and I'm like, and I ask them, what was your last group home? I'm sorry, what was your last adult daycare? And they say, well, it was XYZ, but now they're having adult daycare within my home. And I don't want to be here. I want to be out. And so that leads me to say, okay, there's more, you guys.
Yeah. I think the hardest part is it's that's probably a Medicaid funded or a state funded program. I'm assuming, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
So,
yeah. Well, yeah. Some of them are. Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So I mean, the hard part about that is like it would be. I feel like the number one thing would be like who's paying for it. Like because that's like is the state going to pay for them to be in the group home and then also pay you as the adult daycare?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So I mean, like at the end of the day, the person that's going to be directing the path of how that care and how that payment's made is going to be the case managers,
Mm-hmm.
Because they're going to be the ones to approve. Like, okay, we're approving. This case manager is saying, all right, here, this person's going to this group home, and then we approve them for adult day for X number of days per week. And so I feel like at the end of the day, the person that has like the ability to influence the
I don't want to cut you off, Kris. I don't want to cut you off. In a nutshell, how can I market those that are inside of a home? Like, in other words, I have the question. I'm sorry, guys.
Yeah.
This is the question. Is it legal to market to group homes that are and have adult daycare in their home? Is it illegal for me to do so? To put flyers near the home or in the mailbox?
The hard part is I'm speaking from a place of like I don't know that world very well. So like I wish I had like experience in the group home world and the insurance or the Medicaid world to be able to say like, oh, this is how we do it. But the hard part is, I guess, is like in my mind I'm thinking if I'm gonna do that in the group home, I would probably be communicating with that group home owner and trying to develop a relationship with them, for them to utilize us as their preferred adult day vendor or their partner. Obviously it's going to depend a lot on that relationship. Does that person like trust you? Do they feel like if they come to this adult day center that their residents, or I don't know what they call them in group homes. I don't know, is it residents? This is residents.
Right, I know, right?
But like, But like, you know, are the residents going to be able to come and, you know, like, or is that owner like comfortable sharing with those residents and helping to promote your adult day center? I mean, I feel like at the end of the day, like it's all gonna be a relationship building that way. And then now we get the case manager involved to give the approval for that additional service if you're gonna get paid for it, you know?
Okay. I got it. A light bulb just flipped on. I got it. I want to say thank you so much, Kris. You don't have to do what you do, and I just thank you.
Hey guys, thank you so much for joining me. If you'd like to learn how to open your own adult daycare center, go to adcpro.com. If you'd like the latest business tips, click here, and make sure you subscribe to our channel. Click here. We'll see you guys next time.